Hey guys, Joe from American Trucks, and today I'm going to be reviewing and installing the Barricade HD running boards fitting all 15 and newer SuperCab and SuperCrew F150s. Now these are going to be perfect for the F150 owner who's looking for a running board that's going to give you a lot of surface area to securely plant your foot and also is going to double as some side protection. These are manufactured out of steel plate and tube and then finished in a black powder coating that not only is going to secure this from any rust or corrosion, but also adds to the looks as it matches the black accents on our 15 F150 perfectly. Now this design with the drop steps does make the truck extremely easy to get in and out of, but that drop step does rob a little bit of the ground clearance, which works on our 15 F150. It's lifted 6 inches, but if you had a stock ride height truck, it's definitely something to consider. Now speaking about how easy this is to get in and out of, the steps are also graded, so you got a nice secure place to plant your foot. Make sure it won't slip around when you're getting in and out of the truck. Pricing for the pair of side steps is going to come in at around $300, and that's really not going to break the bank, especially considering this design from other manufacturers. This double drop step design usually comes in at around $400, so effectively $100 cheaper than the competition. Also included in that price is Barricade's 3-year limited manufacturer's warranty. Install for this is going to be extremely easy. We're looking at a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. As it's a basic bolt-on with no drilling, you should be able to get these on your truck in about 2 hours with some basic hand tools. So without any further ado, let me show you how it's done. Tools required for this install are going to be a ratchet, 13mm socket, 17mm socket, and lastly a 17mm wrench. So first things first, all F-150s come with these studs pre-installed near the pinch weld there. But what we're gonna do with those is mount up some plastic washers. Now that's not really to hold anything, it's just to add a little buffer zone between our aluminum body truck and the steel side step bracket. So with our plastic washers installed, we can now install our bracket. Now these are all symmetrical. So there's not one that's specific to driver's side front, middle, or rear. You can put these on all 6 positions. And then we're going to secure them with the flat washer and a 13mm nylock nut. So with all the brackets in place, we can now put our running board up on the truck. Now the closest 2 mounting points are going to go toward the front of the truck, and then we can secure it with the 17mm nuts and bolts and some flat washers all included in the kit. Now, it's a good rule of thumb to leave these hand tight for now, as that will give you some adjustment room to make sure these line up correctly on the truck. So once you have all the hardware on, now's a great time to adjust the side steps and make sure they're seated where you want them to be. And then you can tighten down the hardware with a 17mm wrench and socket. And then we're going to do the same thing for the middle and rear bracket. And that is going to do it for my review and install of the Barricade HD running boards, fitting all 15 and newer SuperCab and SuperCrew F150s. Thank you for watching. I'm Joe, and for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.